You've got your footage, ready to insert your subject anywhere, but that stubborn green screen is standing in your way, right? Let's dive into Adobe After Effects and learn how to banish that green screen. First, select your footage in the timeline. Next, head over to the Effects and Presets panel and type Keylight into the search bar. Double-click Keylight to apply it to your footage. With Keylight apply, go to the Effect Controls panel under Screen Color. Use the eyedropper tool and click on a representative area of your green screen. If your green screen isn't perfectly smooth, you can sample multiple areas. Now, tweak the settings under Screen Matte. Adjust Clip Black to remove any unwanted noise, maybe shadows. Then, focus on Clip White to eliminate remaining green edges that you see surrounding the subject. To get a clearer way to see your transparency, change the View option to Screen Matte. This will show a black and white image. Black means transparent, and white is solid. Fine-tune the Clip Black and Clip White sliders until your subject is clearly outlined in white and the background is solid black. Go back to the View option and set it to Final Result. Now adjust the Screen Matte settings like Soften, Choke, Offset, and Contrast to refine the edges. Soften the edges, reduce the overall outline, and improve the contrast for a seamless blend. Once you have refined your edges, you're ready. Place your subject on top of a new background, and with that, you've mastered the basics of green screen keying in After Effects. Now, go create.